Today, we are making a macaroni bake inspired by the recipe for Italian lasagna. The main difference is that lasagna uses special sheet noodles, while we will be using regular ones. We will also be using fresh tomatoes instead of tomato paste. Otherwise, the recipe is the same. To make this dish, we first need to prepare its components: meat sauce, bechamel sauce, cooked macaroni. Preheat the pan well. Melt the butter. Add chopped chicken breast. Fry the chicken breast well until golden brown. Add and fry the onion. Add the tomatoes. Add garlic and spices. Bring to a boil. When boiling, add finely chopped basil leaves. After a minute, you can remove the sauce from the heat. Preheat the pan well. Melt the butter. Add the flour. Saute over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the milk. Add the nutmeg and salt. Bring to a boil. When it boils, remove from the heat. Cook the macaroni in a large pot of salted water until cooked through about 8 to 10 minutes. Grate the cheese finely. Prepare to combine the ingredients. Arrange the ingredients in layers. Béchamel sauce, mozzarella cheese, pasta, béchamel sauce again, mozzarella cheese again, tomato sauce with meat, pasta again, béchamel sauce third layer, mozzarella cheese third layer. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly.